So let's try this again this school year. Let's pack their lunch bin snack container with me. I shop in bulk at BJ's because it's more cost sufficient for me as a stay-at-home mom of 4. I gotta do what I gotta do to provide for these 4 and get them out the door. She's gonna buy stuff in bulk and they are gonna eat it up. First up is Nutella. Azaya loves Nutella, so I kind of not gonna probably put this in the box, so this is personally for her because she the only one that eats it. And ZZ wants these, but they all like them. You know what? I'm gonna just put everything in a box. If only if I can open the box. Yeah, it's not working. That punch ain't do nothing. So, oh, these are cute. I like it like this though. I kind of want to keep it in the box like this. Can I put these in here? It's so cute and nice and neat. Yeah, I'm keeping it in the box, y'all. Yeah. I'm going to keep it in the box just like this. Yep. Sure is. Here I go, try to mix this up like it's a party mix with my hand. Like, ooh, let me mix this together before I add these in here and give it like a nice little good old, what's that feel called? Like a party mix feel. Next we have goldfish. And then these are basically done. Dang, why they have to have these goldfish in here so neatly? Here I go on my Talijah Maleekah-ish, very indecisive with my OCD behind. Was like, you know what? These are coming out because it just wasn't flowing with the party mix or the snack mix. So it came out the box, y'all. It was so packaged so neatly, so nicely. And yeah, I was like, no, it has to go in here. So it's all right, baby. You just gonna have to, you know, count that you ate 16 because nobody else eats this but you. So she would have loved for it to be like just personally hers. However, I was still putting it in the container because it's not going in your room, girl. For what? Now, these kids don't play in my face and they do everything correctly and have, like, say, 2 snacks a day, one for lunch to take to school with them and one when they come home from school. I want to say I shouldn't have to refill this until, like, the second week of October, but we are going to see because on the weekends, I just know. I just know they're going to play in my face. And then I also have other things that goes with it. Like I put these veggie straws in bags. But they also had, let's see, I will put this in here if it come out. These little cakes. This was a little brownie from Intamins. They have these that I'm about to add in here, which is some blueberry snack muffins. And they also have these, which is frosted chocolate and powdered sugar donut variety. So the agenda is for them to have one snack. Mommy buys in bulk, so I don't have to be in the store all the time. So we're gonna see if that pays off or not. This is giving. Yeah, all the one got stuck. I need this to last for a very long time, but we're going to see. Today is September 6th, and it is Friday, and I am making the kids snack containers for the school year. So they will get one in with their lunch, and usually when they come home from school, on the weekends, y'all going to see what I do differently this season or this school year around to not have them go through all of this. I need this to be for what I need it for, which is for them to take a snack to school as well as have something after school when in addition to whatever I want. So, the kids know they're there. They're going to ask for one. For whatever reason they want one, I want to make sure they're able to have one. But on the weekends, no. We're not doing it this year because I need it to last. Like, things are very expensive, and I am in a new season of abundance, and I have to stay focused. Like, I wrote things down. I'm staying on course, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm doing it. And my kids is going to fall in alignment with everything because it's abundance for them as well. So this is what I'm doing, and this is how I'm going to get it done. Let's go, baby.